Are you a woodworker? Do you have a woodworking shop? Do you need great files for your CNC machines? Well, with Logic Trace System, all I have to do is take the pen stylus and trace the outline with the pen. I can use lines, arcs, curves, circles, or I can just do freehand drawing and draw right along the edge of the pattern. It is fast, easy, and accurate. Once I've traced all the way around my pattern, I can save a DXF file for loading into any CNC machine. Just trace that line. There it is. Looks great. Let's save the file and cut it out.